Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2018 Toyota RAV4. Let's start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Taking a look inside the cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera, and this RAV4 is all-wheel drive. So on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this RAV4 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.